Happy Tuesday. I hope all of you are having a good day. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you with another video on social media marketing for beginners. If you're new to this channel, like, share the content if you like, and also subscribe as I do give tips and strategies on how you can grow your online business. And if you're new to online marketing, the first thing you need to know is when you set up your social media accounts, have a way for people to contact you, because when you are advertising on social media, a lot of people tend to look and try to find emails, phone numbers. Reviews are very helpful, especially if you're doing local, to be able to contact you. That's the first tip. The second tip is set aside you a small budget. I don't care whether it's $50 a month to $100 a month. Set you something aside to do paid advertising, because many people jump online and start these small businesses but do not have a budget for advertising. And three, also include a way to contact you on the home page of your website, because a lot of people get deranked and a lot of people don't get customers and have a high bounce rate is because on their first page they do not have a way for people to contact them, and they have it at the bottom of their page. And a lot of people are not going to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, because they intent, when they come to your site and they find what they're looking for, they're ready to buy, or either they're ready to subscribe to your email list, or they are ready to do business with you. And I see this all the time. I've even for myself went online looking for something, found something that I intended to buy, but it was no way to contact these people. And I mean coaches and mentors, and it's just absolutely crazy. You must have your contact information, email address, and a phone number for people to reach you, because that's a lot of money that you could be losing out on. Number three, after doing your research, which I talked about in a previous video, and finding out where your market is, have a plan put in place on which social medias that you are going to advertise on, because you got something like Facebook, which lets you cross advertise or cross promote your products on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. And this could be done very cheaply, $10 a week, which is roughly, I think, like $40 for a whole month. And not only will you promoting help you gain subscribers and people that for you to build a relationship with, that will know, like, and trust you, it will also help you to get sales. See, a lot of people do social media wrong. They set up a business, post it on their personal page, and then join groups and say, hey, I can't make no sale. I've been in business for a month. Well, because you're doing it wrong. You have to set up a business page on Facebook, because that allows you to have unlimited friends, whereas opposed to having a personal profile, you can only have, I think now it's like 4,000 friends. But anyway, you want to get a business page set up, make sure that all your branding is in place, and make sure you got everything set so people can contact you. Because for one, Facebook, which I don't really use that much, is a great way for advertising your business and also cross promoting to bring awareness to your products, service, or whatever you have to offer, and building relationships. Number 3 is try making YouTube videos. If you sell a service, or if you're in the lawn care, hair care, or you want to sell eyelashes, do a video tutorial of you installing eyelashes. And that could be another added service to your business, as opposed to just selling eyelashes, because it's pretty stiff competition out there on eyelashes. And unless you got a service that installs them, you gonna have a pretty rough time. I ain't gonna say that you're gonna be out of business, but you're gonna have a really rough time unless you promote your service. Do a quick tutorial how to install them, and promote that on YouTube, for a few bucks. And you can grow a following slowly but surely, because paid advertising is the best way to go in my book. Because if you had a website and you just got it there, and you hoping to optimize, which optimization takes a while. It could take 3 months, 6 months, maybe possibly a year. But I think, my personal opinion, you can research yourself, paid advertising is the best way. Number one, it gets you where you want to be quicker, faster, to help you make a little bit of money. And it's for a small amount of money. Let's say for a car note, the price of a car note every month, you can build a small business to be able to bring you in anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 a month. Now, on top of that, because a lot of entrepreneurs work job. If you got a job, an extra $1,500 a month could do you just well. Just setting aside the price of a car note, instead of trying to go buy a car note, which a lot of people can't afford at this day and time, you'd be better off spending them $300 to $500 a month building an online business and making it work. Because you can make it work. It can be done. You can do it. I believe in you. You have to believe in yourself. If you like the content, share, subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.